Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, August 23rd, 2023. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Ether to the Tether at Zondacrypto. So what do we have here? As you can see, there is plenty of the information from this chart. Let's start with the trend line. So let's just start with a very simple tool that allow us to see what is the current trend. And as you can see from the recent lows, roughly around the level of 1083, we just broke below this trend line, the orange trend line. Very solid trend line that started basically around this lows of the December 2022. Big spike to the downside. This is a daily time frame chart, please remember. Big spike to the downside and a continuation to the downside as well. We are trading below 200, 100 moving average. So this is daily time frame chart, so the daily moving average, and we definitely trade below this swing high located at 2131. So this is the first level of the swing high, and if we add one more level here, then we know that this is the 2143 tethers. So it looks very solid as the downtrend continues. The other technical resistance is 2009 tethers, and the last one, the newest one, is of course the 1949 tethers. So big supply zone, very wide, that resulted and inability of the bulls to break above it and hold it. So this is why we have this long upper shadows, just like here, means that there is a big selling pressure on the Ether right now, especially is seen here after the breakout below the short-term trend line. I mean, short-term, it's like a even mid-term trend line. This is the technical support. I mean, it was the technical support. Now it is violated. We have the daily candle close below this level. So sooner or later, we will hit this level here, 1378. That's the next target for the bears. They are pushing very strongly to the downside. Local low is 1585. This low might be violated very soon. Let's just take a look at one more thing. Let's just take a look at the RSI, because we want to know what is going on with the momentum. And the momentum wise, as you can see, we are now extremely oversold on a daily time frame chart. Extremely oversold. 21 points. We haven't seen this reading right in, oh, that's 2022. It's like a 1 year, roughly, even more than 1 year, 24 months. So that should, guys, that should tell you something about the situation this market is in. Let me just extend this line to the left, because the left end, extend the left end. Okay, that's very sloppy. Okay, nevertheless, it still doesn't look good. It doesn't look good for the Ethereum at all if there is no strong movement to the upside from the extremely oversold market conditions, because this is what we expect right now based on the previous price action behavior when we hit this kind of levels. Okay, we got this very nice rally. Let me just take a look. How many percent? 127%. Okay, so very nice rally here. Let me just make it a little bit, there you go, precise. 127%, there you go, 128, 127% rally. The question is whether this is another good timing for movement to the upside. It looks like one, but then again we need to break back above the trend line and then back above the very wide and strong supply zone. we will see. Very, very soon, market will tell us what is the current situation and what is the outcome of our scenario. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.